Alhamdulillahi wahdah, wa salatu wa salamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah, wa ala alihi wa ashabihi alladhina awfu ahdah, amma ba'd. A big part of life is to deal with people. And there are different types of people that we deal with. One of them are our children. As parents, we interact, we deal with our children on a daily basis. And it is crucial that we deal with our children in a way which is according to the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is according to the teachings of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is according to the ethics of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is according to the mercy of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And it is according to the manners and etiquettes of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Amongst all these etiquettes, one of them is to deal with your children with mercy. So let us give an example of what mercy is and how to show mercy. Mercy is not just about giving it, it's about showing it as well. So let me give an example from the hadith. There's a hadith from Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu in Sahih al-Bukhari, which is 5997. عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه قال قبل رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم الحسن بن علي وعنده الأقرع بن حابس التميمي جالسا فقال الأقرع إن لي 10 من الولد ما قبلت منهم أحدا فنظر رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم ثم قال من لم يرحم لا يرحم من لم يرحم لا يرحم. Allahu Akbar. Look at the words of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Man lam yarhamu la yurham. Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu narrates that Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam kissed Hassan ibn Ali while Aqra ibn Habis at-Tamimi was sitting beside him. And Al-Aqra' said, I have 10 children and I have never kissed any one of them. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam cast a look at him and said, Allahu Akbar. He cast a look at him and said, whoever is not merciful to others will not be treated mercifully. Now, there can be many interpretations of this hadith. Number one is that whoever does not treat others with mercy, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not treat him with mercy. Another interpretation is that if you do not treat people with mercy, then people will also not treat you with mercy. And that includes our children. I'm telling you, if people do not treat their children with mercy, how do you expect your children to treat you with mercy? I mean, just think about it. Sit back and think. You are teaching your children at a very young age, what a man is. You're teaching your children what a father should be. And you are supposed to be mentoring and teaching this child so when he grows up, he knows how a father should behave. He knows how a man should behave. So these methods of teaching are not through speech. Can be through speech, but mainly through practice, through action. And the most merciful of all mankind is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is rahmatul lil alameen. He himself, Allahu Akbar. Look at the mercy that he is having. Look at the love, the compassion that he has for children, for Hassan ibn Ali radiallahu anhu. And not just that, look at the status of Hassan ibn Ali radiallahu anhu. That Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the greatest man to ever live, is kissing Hassan ibn Ali radiallahu anhu. So from this, parents should understand, they should learn, they should realize that how am I treating my children? Coming back from a busy day at work, and the first thing you're doing is you're grumpy, you're aggressive, you're irritating to your children. The children should be happy that our father is back from work. They should show happiness and they should run towards their father. And if your children are not running towards you, and they're still in their rooms on their video games and on TV or on their mobile phones, know that they do not need you. Subconsciously, they're telling you, you have no value to us. You are not important to us. Just imagine a father coming home after a busy day of work, and the moment he opens the door, or the children hear the car in the driveway, and they scream, shouting, running outside, Baba or Father is at home. Father's home. What a feeling is that? On the other hand, you've got a father who opens the door with the key, he enters the house and his children, and he's calling them. Where are you? Amr, Bakr, where are you? Fatima, where are you? And mashallah, the kids are in their room and they like, oh, sorry, I didn't even hear you. My brothers, this is something that we need to focus on. This is something as a father we need to think about. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is teaching us and we should learn from this. If we don't learn from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the best of role models, the best of all mankind, then who are we going to learn from? Western society will give us nothing. They will not give us etiquettes, they will not give us manners, they will not give us adab, they will not give us or show us the sirat al-mustaqim, they will not lead us towards Jannah. Who will? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So for that, everyone should make intention to change their habits at home. How can we change our habits at home? Number one is coming home, giving your children a big hug, kissing them on their forehead, on their heads, showing them love and compassion. It might be weird for someone who hasn't done this for a while, but this is the start. And slowly, slowly, your children will start to have compassion. You're teaching your children how to behave, and your children will also behave with other people with compassion and love.